In this segment, we're going to summarize the monitoring and control activities that we discussed in this chapter. First of all, let's discuss quality. Performing quality control monitors work results to ensure they fulfill the quality standards specified in the Quality Management Plan. Quality control should occur throughout the entire life cycle of the project, not just at the end of the project. Some of the tools and techniques used in quality control include inspection, which measures results to determine whether the results conform to the quality standards. Attributes are measurements that either conform or do not conform. The measurement will indicate if the sample is acceptable. Other tools and techniques include control charts, which measure the results of processes over time. It contains the following items: upper and lower control limits, the mean, specification limits, out of control or lack of consistency and predictability in the process, the rule of 7, which are non-random data points grouped together in a series that totals 7 on one side of the mean. This indicates that the process is not in control, and assignable cause. Other tools and techniques include checklists, which contain a list of items to inspect, statistical sampling, which is performed by inspecting part of a population of deliverables to determine if quality standards have been met for all of the products produced. It's good to use if the population is too large or costs are too high to review all the products. Pareto charts are histograms that rank order the most important quality factors by their frequency over time. This works under the assumption that 80% of the problems found in poor quality are caused by 20% of the underlying issues. This is also known as the 80-20 rule. Fishbone diagrams, which we've discussed many times, are also used. They're also known as cause and effect diagrams or Ishikawa diagrams, and they're a way of examining individual problems to determine one underlying issue. Some variations from a standard are acceptable, and if the process is considered to be under control, they should not be adjusted. Even those processes that are considered to be under control can be adjusted for improvement in efficiency or effectiveness. Managing the project team involves tracking and reporting on project team members' performance. Performance appraisals are performed during this process, and feedback is provided to the team members. Performance reporting keeps the stakeholders informed of project progress. Tools and techniques used for this activity include information presentation tools, status reports. This includes performance, requested changes, it forecasts future project performance, and it updates organizational process assets. The managed stakeholders process makes certain that communication needs of the stakeholders are met. It includes the management of any issues that stakeholders may raise and implementing change requests. Risk monitoring and control is the response to risks as they occur and implements workarounds for unplanned risk events. Impacts may be greater than expected. In this case, updates to the risk management plan could be necessary. Contract administration is the process where the project manager monitors the vendor's performance and ensures that all the requirements of the contract are met. If more than one vendor is working on the project, contract administration entails coordinating the interfaces among all the vendors, as well as administering each of the contracts. Remember, contracts have life cycles. The 4 stages include requirement, requisition, solicitation, and award. Changes to the contract are managed with change requests. Changes that cannot be agreed upon are contested changes. They take the form of disputes, claims, and appeals. They may be settled among the parties directly, through a court of law, or through arbitration. This concludes the summary of this chapter. In the next section, we'll go through those items that are important for the exam.